If you owe money to the IRS but can't pay it now, an installment agreement is one option to consider. Visit the Taxpayer Advocate Services Tax Toolkit online for detailed information. But for now, let's take a quick look at this option. The IRS offers monthly payment plans called installment agreements to help you settle your tax bill. However, if you're in bankruptcy or the IRS has accepted your offer in compromise, you're not eligible to apply for an installment agreement. The two most common types are called streamlined and guaranteed. To qualify for either of these types of agreements, in the last 5 years, you must have filed and paid all required tax returns, and while the agreement is in place, file any new taxes on time, and fully pay any new taxes due on time. You're not required to submit financial information with your application, but the IRS may request it later. Now, if you haven't had an installment agreement in the past 5 years, you may qualify for a guaranteed installment agreement. Your tax liability, excluding interest and penalties, must be $10,000 or less, and you can fully pay what you owe within 3 years. Now, you may also qualify for a streamlined installment agreement if you owe $50,000 or less in individual income tax, including interest and penalties, or if your business owes $25,000 or less in payroll taxes, also including assessed interest and penalties. You must fully pay what you owe within 6 years, and certain types of business taxes are not eligible for these types of agreements. There is an initial fee for setting up an agreement, and it ranges from around $50 to more than $100 and depends on the payment method you select. The fee is deducted from your first installment payment, and certain low-income taxpayers may qualify for a reduced fee. The payment methods available for most agreements are direct debit, payroll deduction, check, money order, or credit card. You can also apply for a streamlined or guaranteed installment agreement online by visiting irs.gov and entering Online Payment Agreement in the search box. The Online Payment Agreement application page provides you with step-by-step instructions. Or you can mail Form 9465 Installment Agreement Request to the IRS. If you don't meet the requirements for a streamlined or guaranteed agreement, there may be other types of installment agreements you may qualify for. Just visit our website to learn more. You have the right to appeal if the IRS rejects your agreement proposal. And while your agreement is in effect or under consideration, the IRS must stop collection actions but may file a notice of federal tax lien as a legal claim against your property in case you fail to pay your tax debt. Penalties and interest will continue to add up, and your future refunds will be used to help pay down your tax debt. Contact the Taxpayer Advocate Service if you're experiencing economic hardship and can't pay basic living expenses such as rent, utilities, or food, or if the IRS takes collection actions such as filing a lien or applying your refund to your debt and this will cause you financial hardship, or if you were not afforded your rights as a taxpayer. Visit our tax toolkit at www.taxpayeradvocate.irs.gov for detailed information about these and the other installment agreement options and your rights as a taxpayer. The toolkit also has information on low-income taxpayer clinics if you need representation before the IRS but can't afford it. Taxpayer Advocate Service, your voice at the IRS.